Hochman, and this is Hochman Fabrication and Speed. Welcome to my shop. For those of you that have been following me before I started this YouTube channel, you know that this is a new shop to me because we were doing it all out of my house for the last year and a half, almost 2 years. And we just moved into this shop, which is now just under 2,000 square feet. And it's time for this YouTube channel to start growing because there's a lot of cool projects that we do here. And this is really the formal introduction for not only myself, but also my brand, Hochman Fabrication and Speed. It's a little bit different than your average performance shop or fabrication shop for that matter. It's really more of a brand than a shop because we cater to not just any particular user or motorsports group. It's really anybody that's serious about building cars, whether it be a dream car or a race car for road racing or drag racing. And being a specialist in TIG welding, I do titanium, stainless, aluminum. We do custom turbo kits, intercooler piping, tubular front ends, roll cages, and I think it's time to really introduce myself and my brand and also this new shop to the world because we've got a lot of exciting things going on and there's really only one way to help communicate that, and that's through video. So a little bit about my brand. Hochman Fabrication and Speed is a precision TIG welding high-end fabrication shop, and we specialize in building race cars and race car components that look as good as they perform. You may be familiar with my Black Zenith Evo, which you'll see a lot more of here soon because next week I'm going to be taking you along with us as we go race at the Bosher Shootout, which is now formally known as the Shootout now that D-Sport and IDRC have taken that over. I'm really excited about all this, and I really just needed to introduce myself and my facility because I want to welcome anybody that may need help. I'm looking to expand my business and my team for that matter. Right now, I focus primarily on building components that are either really hard to make or don't exist in the marketplace. For instance, most recently we've been producing scatter shields for the Mitsubishi Evo, the 2G and the 1G DSMs, and we're looking to get into a lot more. I've got a couple of cool projects coming in the door here in the next few weeks. You may be familiar with Mike's Silver Bullet Evo 8, which I've done a lot of work on. He's going to be getting a tubular front end, removable tubular front end soon, along with a 10-point NHRA certified roll cage. And I know a lot of you guys have been waiting in anticipation for that removable tube front end, and it is coming. As you know, doing the transition of trying to get into the shop has taken a lot of my time, and now that it's here and we're ready to rock, we're ready to take on whatever work anybody may have. A little bit more about me and myself, just to give you a little bit of background on me before we introduce also what we're doing next week. My background is obviously in marketing and business. I went to the University of Denver, Daniel College of Business, and got my degree in marketing. And naturally, motorsports has been my hobby and passion for pretty much all my life. Up until the last year and a half, it's been more of a side job than anything. And I was most recently working for Bosch Power Tools in North America, which I ended up leaving a couple of months ago in order to pursue this passion and dream and make it a reality. So, like I said, I couldn't be more excited to introduce myself and welcome you all into my world. And I just know that you guys are going to love what I have to share. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we're looking forward to seeing you guys next week when we hit the shootout. Talk to you then.